there were almost 3 developers involved.
ठीक है, यू गोना से कि वेबसाइट में इतना टाइम नहीं लगता, हमें लगा. There were a lot of people who just promised a lot of things to us and they never delivered.
But for 2 people who had zero idea, no clue about what a website is and how it's built, I think उन दोनों के लिए एक website बनवाना.
We did a pretty good job.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
So this is a video that we have been wanting to make. Tara and I have shown a lot of BTS over the years, and I feel ki this also deserves.
This deserves a major BTS, and we just thought like let's have a sit down video for a change. In 2021, when we were starting with TDP, so there are a lot of things that I'm not gonna say right now because we're just in process of a lot of things. But website was one thing that we always said कि यार हमारी भी कभी website होगी.
So we're gonna tell you how it all started. So I think I'll start because I remember I was in Christ. So Christ University में हमारा incubation cell होता था, and that time we had started this offline hiring, and I found this girl that okay, this one is someone who understands ये वाले context. So we were like, now let's start planning for the website. हम लोगों ने बहुत research की थी, जितने भी mental health organization हैं, सोशल मीडिया पेजेस हैं, इंडिविजुअल्स हैं इन इंडिया आउटसाइड, हमने सबको सारी वेबसाइट्स छान मारी थी जस्ट टू सी व्हाट आर लाइक गुड एस्पेक्ट्स, नेविगेशन में क्या चीज अच्छी है.
हमने ये तक ऑब्जर्व किया है किस वेबसाइट का स्क्रॉल
कैसा है,
कि किसके एनिमेशन अच्छे आ रहे हैं, किसका क्या टैब अच्छा है,
एंड कंटेंट आल्सो कि एग्जैक्टली व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ लैंग्वेज इज यूजर फ्रेंडली, हाउ पीपल आर रिलेटिंग टू इट.
एंड इट्स आल्सो बिकॉज़ लाइक साइकोलॉजी कम्स इन, वी अंडरस्टैंड लाइक व्हाट इज द mindset that goes behind.
But I think Tara, हमारी इस पूरी जर्नी में there have been contributions of multiple people and
in making and breaking both.
Yeah, in making and breaking both. So when we started, हम लोगों को ये भी नहीं पता था कि हमें scratch से coded website बनवानी है
या हमें Wix पे बनवानी है,
WordPress,
domain name कहाँ से लेना है. And then the first developer we had, he was juggling with a lot of things. So and we were juggling with a lot of things.
So we had empathy for him, but with at the same
I
time,
think we lost like 11 months into just back and forth communication, and it was not happening.
हम लोगों ने काफी पेजेस स्क्रैच से बनाए थे, कहाँ पे क्या आएगा, कौन सा कॉल टू एक्शन बटन है, एक डिटेल फ्रॉम ग्राफिक्स टू टेक्स्ट
to inspirations
to references. And I think one major contribution, and we would like to take the name Ishika. Ishika is our team member.
Oh god,
starting se leke
the goal has been working on the website for the last 2 years.
Yeah.
And then there were a lot of people who just promised a lot of things to us and they never delivered.
So there was this one person who were like, I'm gonna get it done. The guy promised one week.
हाँ, एक हफ्ते में बन जाएगी,
एक हफ्ते में बन जाएगी. एंड लाइक बढ़िया, एक हफ्ते में बन जाएगी, हम टाइम
मैं इसको बोलूंगा, उसको बोलूंगा, ये हो जाएगा,
वो हो जाएगा. लाइक कूल, ठीक है,
नाइस.
बट काम एक चीटी भर इंच भी नहीं बढ़ा था. 6 months passed, नहीं हुआ. Then there was this another person, let's just name the person Angel. Because at the end he helped. ठीक है, तो he also said कि ठीक है, I'll get it done and everything. तो 4 महीने थोड़े उसमें भी बीत गए. अब ये 4 महीने आप समझो from October 2024 to
2025
Feb or March 2025.
वेबसाइट स्टैग्नेंट थी.
6 महीने हमारे वहां गए. फिर 2025 March to now was something that we worked on. So यहाँ पे we got connected to these really nice developers,
and we could actually see the work being done. The aim, if you ask us, was to create a one-stop for a lot of things.
Yeah,
therapy, mentoring,
academic guidance, notes,
training, supervision,
events, outreach. कि मतलब it should be like one place where you get everything. It is a place जहाँ पे psychologist upskill कर सके and therapy services accessible हो सके.
We are also trying to create like a space for students on our website, which is actually going to help these students. And I always believe that TDP, me and Chaitna, we always try to provide the students with things that we never had.
We are very particular about specific things. If you look ना, हमारी website पे भी there are going to be things जो बहुत detailed होंगी.
Yeah.
And I think that is important so that we can cater to the
like,
right
if
audience.
I see the website ना, I feel so welcomed. I know अपनी खुद ही तारीफ करने वाली बात है.
But seriously,
but then trust me, even a single sentence you see is something that me and Chetna had discussions about it. We had arguments about it कि नहीं ये नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है
Even with
इसको.
the icons, our graphic team, Manvi, and the entire graphic team, they have provided specialized icons for it. हमारे एक FAQs, and especially if you remember, जो हमारा filtering process है of choosing a therapist, that is also divided on various parameters, from your fee range to the sort of issues you have to sort of testing, और क्या है?
What type of therapy you would prefer,
Exactly.
gender. So the TDP website is gonna be, if I sum all of this up, is gonna be one stop for therapy, mentoring, academic support. Obviously, the awareness part we are very strong on. We cannot believe that the website is out, and it is a great accomplishment, personal, professional, for both of us, for the organization.
And the best part is, I know आज की date में AI markets are there, but this is a manual work, more of labored work, more of ideas which are out there. So I think that will always stand out, no matter how much AI can take it. But we sort of understand exactly real context में क्या चीजें चलती हैं. So we have tried our best to represent that. So yes, please do check it out. Thank you so
Okay, bye.
much.
Thank you.
Bye.